Hey everyone, today we are looking at Qcad and whether it is worth using in 2026. Qcad is a 2D CAD app for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It is built for technical drawings, floor plans, mechanical parts, diagrams, and CNC style drafting. It is not a full 3D design tool, so if you need heavy 3D modeling, this is not the right pick. The big plus is speed and simplicity. The layout is clean, tools are easy to find, and it runs well even on modest computers. You get core drawing tools like lines, arcs, circles, polylines, dimensions, layers, blocks, snapping, trim, offset, and hatch. If you already know basic CAD logic, you can start quickly. CAD uses DXF as its main format,
Hmm.
which is great for sharing technical drawings and keeping files light. The professional version also adds extra tools and stronger import support, including better DWG handling. The free community edition exists, but many advanced tools are part of professional, so your workflow decides which version makes sense. Now, the downsides. First, this is a focused 2D tool, so it can feel limited if your projects move into rendering, assemblies, or advanced 3D work. Second, some users coming from AutoCAD style systems may need a short adjustment period for commands and workflow habits. Third, if your job depends on perfect compatibility with every client, DWG setup, test your files before committing. Who should use QCAD? Beginners learning CAD basics, makers, hobby engineers, architects doing early 2D plans, and small businesses that want a lighter and lower cost option. If you need quick, clean technical drawings without paying for a huge CAD suite, QCAD is a strong option. Before you buy, use the trial and recreate one real project from your workflow. Check printing scale, layer naming, line weights, and export quality. Also test any plugins or cam steps you rely on. If that test passes, QCAD can save money and still deliver professional results for day-to-day jobs. Final verdict: QCAD is practical, fast, and reliable for 2D drafting. For pure 2D work, it is worth trying.